Hello there. Do you have a website? In 2021, if you don't have a website, you are not in the online business game. Yeah, man, I know. Don't talk the shit again and again. It's very simple, guys. If you have read this title, you know what I'm going to talk about. How to convert your LinkedIn profile as a single page website. But before that, it doesn't even matter because there is not even a rule that you should have a website to create yourself as an online business. There are many other platforms to do that, because now I'm taking LinkedIn as an example to create your effective single page website as effective as through LinkedIn profile, because you need some more optimization and tips which I will be telling you right after this intro. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपके सारे सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग एंड ब्रांडिंग नीड्स का होस्ट हूं दोस्त डिजिटल AK47. So today's topic is already you know guys, how to convert your LinkedIn profile as effective as your single page website. So if you don't know guys, I post content related to social media marketing, branding, both business and personal, online business usage practices and also some tutorials. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated by hitting the subscribe button and turn the bell icon to all to see all the notifications of our upcoming videos. First let's talk about the advantages of website. Because website you need, because if you are building yourself as a brand, if you are a creator, if you are an influencer, if you are a coach, trainer, small business, medium scale business, if you are selling product or services, if you want your audience to have your own platform of interaction, then you definitely need a website. But I can see many of the people can't afford for a website. They can't afford for a hosting, domain, web developer, then they have to rely on them, then you have to make changes, because you will say like, you don't need a web developer in 2021. There are many other platforms, those who had ready-made templates, you can edit them. I know this. I don't know. Even though I can develop a website on my own, because I'm already developing a website for myself, I know, because it takes many more things. You should have a knowledge, you should know how it works, you should know how it works with the Google. So there are many more limitations while building a website for yourself. So if you're kind of person that I don't want to invest a single rupee on my website, but I still need a website good looking like a website, you can definitely do it with LinkedIn. How LinkedIn? First let's see this video, because while seeing this video I will be sharing you some tips, which is, if you see my LinkedIn profile, there is a particular logo, a tagline of mine, then below that what I actually do, then below that there are some feature section where I featured my work. If you can, there you can feature your services as well. Below that there is an about section of mine. Under that there are some activities which I have been shown to you. There are some my skills which I am good at, and second thing is there are some testimonials, there are some interest. So what else do you need? CTA. You can definitely add more CTAs. Just you seen in the video, there are n number of CTA options you can add to your LinkedIn profile. Then why you need a website? So that's an effective thing which you should know, because in Thursday I want to share you this tip, because I like, bro, you don't have to spend more money at your initial stage. I will definitely not recommend that, because there are many people coming to me for asking services or help, like, sir, I have a website but I need to ranking edit, I want to sell product and services. I asked them, how many months it took for you to create a website? Like, I created this website just 2 to 3 months ago. And when did you start your business? Like 6 months ago. And after investing in digital marketing, why are you expecting the sales from the first month? So there are more criteria to decide how you can generate your sales on this thing, because you have that inner burden, like you are hurting inside, because I have invested 10,000 on my website, because I need at least 20k, or I need to put the return amount back into my pocket, into my bank account where I've invested from for my website. I think you have been confused. It's very simple. If you have invested money on your website, then you always expect that you should take some returns from the website. It is not your cost, because every human thinks like that. If they are investing somewhere, they should at least get some result or returns. So that's absolutely fine, because if you are building a new thing, new brand, new product, new services, if you are connecting new people, then guys, I will definitely recommend LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is a universal thing. If you are finding a job, you need a LinkedIn. If you are building yourself as a brand, you definitely need a LinkedIn. If you are a creator, if you are a intern, if you are finding job, then LinkedIn gets your job done at everywhere. If you see my LinkedIn, it is not less than even a website, because in a website you need a CTA. I have n number of CTS in my LinkedIn. Just press on the contact info, will get my number, my podcast, my YouTube channel, my WhatsApp link, my Skype link, my Twitter link. What else do you want? You want my birth certificate, my janam patrika, my janam kundli, I can even upload that at my feature section. Yeah, if you want to show off your product or services, you can add them at your feature section. If you want to show off your skills, there is a dedicated skills section where you can add your n number of skills which you are good at, and you can definitely add your reviews there. You can add your recommendation. Why people recommending you? Because your LinkedIn profile is not less than a single page website, because I can give a damn sure about it. I can give a certification about that. If you don't build an effective LinkedIn profile, it doesn't mean that you should have a LinkedIn strong community, you should have a 10-15,000 followers. No, I will be not telling that, because followers count is just a number. The thing is, how many loyal audience do you have? It doesn't mean that follower are not worth enough, because follower hai tabhi loyal audience banenge. So you need both, but the thing is, you should have an engaging community. If you have a strong LinkedIn profile, you will stand out at everywhere. So it doesn't mean that you have to invest more on your website cost. Instead you can save that cost and you can add some more marketing, or you can create some workshop, you can create some campaign that. So for me, straight away, if you are new to digital marketing, or if you are new to online business, if you are new to business sell product, if you are new to finding someone new on online, definitely I will recommend create a complete and excellent profile. And also I will be creating out how to create an optimized and effective LinkedIn profile that stands out among your competitors. So for that video in future, you should subscribe to my channel. बस दोस्तों, यही था आज के इस वाले वीडियो के लिए. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो then give it a big fat thumbs up guys, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, doubts, suggestions, clarity, definitions, needs, wants, comment section is open for you. If you want to reach out me personally, description पे email है. If you want to follow me on my social media, description में सारे links है. And don't forget to follow my podcast. This is Digital Brand Data Show. I've been posting podcasts since for a while, and I also have crossed nearly 200 plus plays, and also 15 to 25 plus subscribed audience. So do check out my podcast, available on Spotify, Apple Podcast and every other streaming platforms. And don't forget to follow me on my LinkedIn, because इतना बताया तो LinkedIn में I worth the follow or not. So guys, do check out me on my LinkedIn, and see you in the next one guys. Till that, get connected to stay updated. Before that, don't forget to check out the other LinkedIn videos right after this.